Hey, it's me, Adam Mattis for Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, lathes, grinders, milling machines, saws, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to show you a really nice machine that just came in. This is a 16 by 40 Goodway, 16-inch swing, 40-inch between centers. You can see it's in really nice condition. This is how I usually choose if I'm buying a machine. The first thing I looked here is how beat up is this, how many chips have been sitting here, if they took good care of it. You can see there's a couple little nicks here, but that's not usually a big deal. The ways are in really nice condition. It moves really smoothly. Really smooth, real nice. We'll go ahead and put it under power. You can hear the head sounds great on it. First, I want to show you there's a little jog button right here and make sure that you're in gear. We'll put it in gear. Show you here, you got your threading. Go ahead and we'll change our speed here. We have our high, low. There's a different diagram here to define exactly your speed. You could hit this jog right here, let you know that you're in the correct speed. We'll run this guy again. We can put our feed on. Here's our feed screw. We'll turn that so now we can see that moving. And now we have our cross feed. Nice, smooth running machine. Now, we'll stop this guy here. You've seen the speeds. You can see it's also a gap bed lathe. So right here, you can take this gap out, swing some oblong pieces right where you see these lines. This will come out. You can put a faceplate on there. There's a lot you could do with these machines. Great running machines, certified, ready to go. Let us know when you're ready to get one. 626-444-0311. Check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.